Dear students, you look at the chapter 5 in geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. What is natural vegetation? Those are vegetation which are grow in nature, that is God gifted vegetation called natural vegetation. Vegetation that has grown naturally without human aid or interference is called natural vegetation. Second definition, those are vegetation which are grow without interference of human. विदाउट ह्यूमन इंटरफेरेंस भी लिख सकते हो। तो यहाँ पर भी कहा बताया गया है वेजिटेशन दैट हैज ग्रोन नेचुरली विदाउट ह्यूमंस एड और इंटरफेरेंस इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल वेजिटेशन। अवे फ्रॉम ह्यूमन इन्फ्लुएंस फॉर लॉन्ग इट इज टर्म एज वर्जिन वेजिटेशन। Vegetation originally found in India is known as endemic or indigenous species, while those that have come from outside India are termed as exotic plants। क्या है? वेजिटेशन originally found in India is known as endemic or indigenous species, while those that have come from outside India are termed as exotic plants। जो भारत में हुए इंडोजेनियस स्पीसीज कहा जाता है, जो बाहर से आए हैं उन्हें एक्जॉस्टिक प्लांट्स कहा जाता है। Biodiversity. What is biodiversity? India is one of the 12 major biodiversity countries of the world, with about 47,000 species in plants. India stands at the 10th place in the world and the 4th place in Asia. India is a country where about 15,000 kinds of flowering plants grow. This is 6% of the total number of the global plants. Many kinds of ferns, algae and fungi are also found in India. There are approximately 90,000 species of animals, in which above 2,000 species of the birds, which is 13% of the world, are available in India, and a large number of fish species in India are found in the fresh and marine water in India. Cause of biodiversity. Following reason for the long range of biodiversity रिलीफ। फर्स्ट है रिलीफ में लैंड, क्लाइमेट, सनलाइट, ये आपके पॉइंट है मेन, जिनके कारण रेनफॉल, बायोडाइवर्सिटी के ये सब बारे बताया गया है, जिनके कारण ये डाइवर्सिटी पाई जाती है। तो लैंड सभी जगह एक समान नहीं है। हमारा लैंड क्या लिखते हैं? The vegetation is affected by land directly or indirectly. The type of land and its use determine the type of vegetation, while the fertile and its used for agriculture, rough and uneven terrains are grown with the vegetation and inhabited by wildlife. Soil. The nature of soil also determines the nature and kind of vegetation. Different types of vegetation grow in different types of soil. In desert grow thorny bushes, but in deltas grow deciduous plant, and the mountain and hill slope are found conical trees. Now climate में temperature. Variety of vegetation is caused by the kind of temperature and humidity on the slope of the mountain at more than 915 meters high. Vegetation of various zones are found on the basis of temperature. Table. Temperature characteristics of the vegetation zone. ट्रॉपिकल में 24 सेल्सियस अबाउट, सब ट्रॉपिकल में 17 डिग्री टेम्परेचर, अल्पाइन में 7 डिग्री सेल्सियस बिलो, ये दिया हुआ है। सोर्स इन्वायरमेंट एटलस ये दिया गया है, एटलस के अकॉर्डिंग हुआ है। सेंटर पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड दिल्ली के द्वारा ये प्रकाशित किया गया है। Sunlight is of the place is affected by altitude, height from the sea level and season of that particular place. In the summer, trees show a fast growth due to sufficient sunlight found. Why do we southern slope of the Himalaya region have denser vegetation compared to northern slope? There is denser vegetation on the southern slope of the Himalayas than their northern slope because the southern side of the mountain receive much more rainfall than other northern sides. Now next